Hello students, I hope you all are doing well. I'm Nitin and today we will be starting the video series on cell biology. And in today's lecture, I'll talk about the general information of a cell and further we will discuss about the animal and plant cell. So let's start. Well, a cell is defined as the basic structural and functional unit of all living organisms. It is the smallest unit that can live on its own. A cell has three main components. First is cell or plasma membrane. Second is nucleus. And third is cytoplasm. Cell membrane surrounds the cell and controls the movement of substances that goes into and out of the cell. Nucleus is a membrane enclosed structure present inside the cell and it contains the chromosomes. Last is cytoplasm. It is the gelatinous liquid that fills the inside of a cell and it is composed of water, salts and various organic molecules. So let's start with animal and plant cell now. So as you are seeing on your screen, the structure of animal and plant cell. The cell shape of a plant cell is square or rectangular, whereas the animal cell is irregular or round in shape. Cell wall is present in the case of plant cell, whereas cell wall is absent in the case of animal cell. Cell membrane is present in both animal and plant cell. Next structure is endoplasmic reticulum. It is the supporting framework of the cell and it helps in synthesis of proteins and lipids. And this structure is present in both animal and plant cell. Next structure is nucleus. Nucleus is present and lies on one side of the cell in the case of plant cell. In the case of animal cell, it is present and lies in the center of the cell. Next is lysosomes. It is an organelle which contains digestive enzymes, and lysosomes acts as the waste disposal system of the cell by digesting used material in the cytoplasm. Lysosomes present but are very rare in the case of plant cell, whereas they are present in animal cell. Next structure is Golgi apparatus. The Golgi apparatus is responsible for transporting, modifying and packaging of proteins and lipids into vesicles for delivery to targeted destinations. Golgi apparatus is present in both animal and plant cell. Next structure is ribosomes. A ribosome is an intercellular structure made of both RNA and proteins, and it is the site of protein synthesis in the cell. And ribosomes are present in both animal and plant cell. Next structure is chloroplast. Chloroplast is an organelle that contains the photosynthetic pigment chlorophyll that captures sunlight and converts it into energy. Chloroplast is present in the case of plant cell, whereas it is absent in animal cells. Next is vacuoles. Vacuoles helps in the storage and disposal of various substances. They are few, large or single vacuole in the case of plant cell. And in the case of animal cell, vacuoles are usually small and numerous. Next structure is mitochondria. It is the powerhouse of the cell. Mitochondria produce the energy necessary for the cell's survival and functioning. They are fewer in number in the case of plant cell, whereas they are numerous in the case of animal cell. Next structure is centriole. Centrioles are paired barrel-shaped organelles, and the main function of centriole is to help with cell division. Centriole is absent except the motile cells of lower plants, whereas it is present in the case of animal cell. Well, that's all for today. I'm grateful to Archana ma'am for helping and supporting the cell biology video series. I'm also very grateful to you all for watching and appreciating our videos. Please subscribe to the channel Mentorship Towards Sure Abundance. Stay blessed and keep learning. Thank you.